Hey, good morning everybody and happy Easter. And sorry that I didn't get to reveal our Wednesday yesterday. Just a real busy day, so today we are taking a little bit time out of our Easter morning to do our big reveal and tell you guys what plant that we asked you to identify on Wednesday. And we'll get to that in a second, but first I just want to thank everybody who participated and for helping us to support some great groups. And this week we were supporting the Florida Wildflower Foundation, and based on the participants we're going to be able to send them some money. We've also picked out a winner, so if you're watching this, check your inboxes and your notifications to see if you won this week's Wednesday, the $10 prize. Sorry, my chickens are a little distracting today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the plant for this week's Wednesday. All right, so this is the plant that I asked you guys to identify. I've got several flowers of it, and this is Fleabane, and this is this specific one is Oakleaf Fleabane. This is a Florida native wildflower. It's actually native to more than just Florida, most of the Southeast, and the bees really enjoy it. I just had one there. He actually just came over to my Biden's alba I've been letting grow, and this flower comes up every spring, and when we don't mow our yard, we tend to see more and more of this, along with like the lyre-leaf sage, the Biden's alba, which is one of the reasons we really don't like to mow our yard early in the season. These flowers emerge, they become important nectar sources for the bees and many other pollinators, and we just really like the way that they look with the purple aster-like flower. A lot of times they're all white, which you can see right here, but they can also have this purple color to the petals as well, and that makes it tough to identify sometimes or make you second guess yourself. But just know that probably through a little bit of hybridization there have been gotten this purple color. But that's all the info I really got for you on this plant this week. Again, just want to thank everybody for participating, and hope you guys will check us out again on next week's Wednesday, where you have another chance at a $10 prize. Happy Easter, everybody, and we'll see you next week.